What's up, family? Welcome back to my kitchen. The thumbnail was right. It is time for the comfort food. It is fall and it is not feeling too good outside, okay? Especially in DC when it's hot. 7 degrees on Monday. By the time Wednesday, you to 40. I'm talking slow, guys. If you saw my previous video of my DIY, me making that graveyard cake, you saw my face was swollen. Well, my face is swollen due to dental issues. I'm going to the dentist, back and forth to the dentist. We getting some stuff done to my mouth, so my face was swollen. It's hurt. I can't hardly talk. I'm in pain. So, a couple of videos, you will not be seeing all of me. So, with that being said, let's get started. I have right here some smoked neck bones, okay? I already cleaned them. I'm going in with 6 cups of water. That is 2 cups right there. I have my measuring cup, so I'll measure it out to you guys. Ooh. This is a 4-cup measuring cup. And it might be more than 6 cups of water. Just because I want the water to make sure that the water, your neck bones, is covered in water. So I'm about to do another 4 cup. Look at that. I'll add 2 more cups, so just, I ain't gonna yell out the cups. Just make sure your smoked neck bones are covered in water. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? Right now, I'm not gonna add any seasoning to that. I'm gonna say that for my lima beans. So this is all we need. You need some neck bones, covered in water. Put the top on it. Let them boil about an hour. And then you need some lima beans. I got large lima beans. My only season is gonna be pepper and seasoned salt. And if you have regular salt, just pepper and salt, because the taste, I'm sorry, I can't hardly talk and it hurts when I talk to you guys, but the taste from the smoked neck bones is going to flavor your beans so well. All you need is salt and pepper, and we're making cornbread. So I'll be right back in an hour. We're going to add those beans. Okay, it's been boiling a little bit over an hour, guys, because I'm in so much pain. I had look, I rested my eyes, but we still good. My beans are rinsed and they good. And basically, they're going to cook until they're done. And then at the end, that's when I'm going to add the salt and the pepper. So, when we come back to this video, them beans will be done. I'm going to make the cornbread, but I'm going to link, I think it's the Soul Food video in here, so you guys could get the recipe for my cornbread. I'm going to link another video where I make the cornbread at. So, we'll be back. These beans be done. Okay, guys. Look at my beans. Look at the heat coming off of there. I'm going to tell you, I forgot to show you guys the salt and pepper. I told you I'm just feeling my tooth and everything. Okay, but just add some salt and pepper because the taste and the flavor from that smoked neck bone is going to come through. Look at all the meat. Look at the beans. And guys, it is fall. This is how we going to be eating. This is how we going to be cooking. And Jackson, come right on over here. I made this cornbread. I'm going to put the link to this cornbread in the video, but basically it's just 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of salt, as much sugar as you like. I do like 1/4 thing, 1/4 cup of sugar in mine. They like it sweet here. Some melted butter and a teaspoon of baking powder, and then milk. You know, don't make it too loose, don't make it too thick. This time I used regular milk. I didn't have buttermilk, and it still came out great. Now back to the beans. Back to the beans, Jack. Now, hold it right there. So again, I cooked this about for 4 hours, guys. 1 hour for the meat. Look at all that meat. Look at that. 1 hour for the meat. I did it 1 hour for the meat. Come back right here. And then I put my beans in there, cooked it like 3 hours, 3 hours more, all together. It cooked about 4 hours. The meat falling off the bones. The beans are tender. It is about 40-something degrees here in DC. Tell me, you guys don't want none of that. Don't want none of that. It's comfort food time, guys. It's time to eat. And I'm going to show you how we do it in our house in the wintertime. Take that thumbnail, Jackson. That's that butter on that piece of cornbread. Guys, until my next video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we see you again. Your favorite marinara sauce, your favorite calzone recipe. Look up. I hope it be mine. Okay, so we're going to move the marinara sauce to the side. Let me let you see what it looks like in the inside.